Well, this Christmas season is different. I was a minister in my 20s, youth pastor. Christmas was always joyous and busy and just full of life. And then I went through a divorce, really lost my way trying to recover from that. And Christmas actually became a very negative, and I think trauma does that to people. What was once joyous can actually become depressing. And I remember a singer-songwriter took God Rest Ye Merry Gentlemen, the Christmas carol, and added some verses to it. And he talks about how when he was a child, his dad used to place baby Jesus in a manger scene in their house on Christmas Eve every night. And then in the third verse, he talks about how he now does that role with his wife and his child. And he talks about his wife and child dreaming about presents under the tree while he puts Jesus in the manger scene, while sipping Christmas whiskey, wondering if I still believe in tidings of comfort and joy. And I felt like that many years, just devastated. And this year, I have finally come back to Christ, come home, and Christmas can once again be a joyous thing. And you know, my whole life I've been told Christmas is about giving, Christmas is about giving, Christmas is about giving. And I really think we get that backwards sometimes. And for me this Christmas, because of the great love of God, I'm learning to receive this Christmas. This Christmas is about receiving that love of God, where it doesn't matter what you did 10 years ago, 5 years ago, last year, last month, last week, or even last night, that the real story of Christmas is learning to receive His love, because He came and was placed in a manger made of wood to ultimately become the ornament on the tree made of wood, so that the awesome gift of grace could be the present under that tree made of wood. And that's what I'm experiencing this Christmas. Merry Christmas from Lakeview Assembly, and we pray that you experience God's love this Christmas season.